everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today is part 3 of my kitchen makeover series, and today we're going to be working on these lower cabinets. And let me tell you guys, this has been a massive transformation from what it was. As you can see in that part before, how dark those cabinets are, and now of course they're this really beautiful super light gray color. And I was able to get these painted outside, and they're ready to go back on. So what we're going to do here in a few seconds is start painting the cabinets and get all that done so that we can start putting the cabinet doors back on. And I just can't get over how much it has changed. I love it so much. And my son came in the other day and saw it for the very first time and couldn't believe he was in the same house. So yeah, it's been something for those that haven't seen the transformation yet to literally walk into my house and see it for the first time, and they're just in shock. So it's such a stark change. But anyway, here you see me kind of just wiping down the counters, because at this point I've already washed them, but it's been a little bit, so I actually need to kind of go over them, get any cat hair or dust off before I start painting. So here you see me painting. I have this really neat little container that actually holds paint, really cheap over at Home Depot. So I went ahead and started doing all of this. Let me give you the specs on the paint, because people have been asking me about the paint. So yes, the paint has primer in it, and this is the Glidden Premium in the Eggshell finish, and this particular color that I'm using on the cabinets is called Thin Ice, and it's beautiful. I mean, you can still see the difference between the light cabinet color and the white wall. So they're completely different, but it's just enough of a change. It's not something that's super drastic, but when you see the gray paint on the white, you can tell that they're not the same color. So we are just absolutely loving everything that has happened so far. And it's amazing to me what a bit of paint will do, really honestly. So, and the other thing you're going to see too in this particular video is that I had to use my sander for the very first time. I'm not complaining. I think it was a great experience, and I haven't used one before. So for those people that are going to see this and say, hey, you did it wrong, well, I apologize up front. I've never done this before. So I'm winging it, y'all. But you know what? I would rather wing it than do literally nothing, because when I tell you that the change has been so wonderful, I am not even kidding. It's helped with, feeling down and depressed and stuff like that. So I'm not even going to apologize for the fact that this has finally all gotten done, even if it's amateur. So anyway, y'all sit back, enjoy the video, and you'll hear me periodically coming on here and talking to you about what's going on. So I will see you at the end of the video.
We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big town. Skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you. up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. You're gone now. Will you call me back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that.
Okay, so I've given it a couple of coats in between dries, and I had to use some caulking to fill in some holes, and actually was able to do the caulking in that area. I gotta get up in there too, but that's what it looked like all the way down. So I did the caulking all the way down here. I still need to do a little bit to that, and then all the way down, and then I'll probably take it across there too. There's paint globbed into the you know, the section there where you put the caulking, but if it's still open, I'm gonna go ahead and put caulking down there as well. But this one is just about done, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take care of this part here.
I hope I'll be your destination. You're far away, and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that.
All right, so I got this part done. The doors are over there. I still need to take the hardware off, clean them all, clean the doors, and paint everything. And then this side is completed right now, and I might have to do one more go down here, but I mean, it looks pretty good. I may not have to. I might do a little bit of caulking down there, especially right in here. That might be good. I need to get down here past the carpet and get down in there, so I'll have to probably do that too. And then once these doors are back on the counter, it's not, yeah, the counters, whatever, then I'm gonna go ahead and start on this over here. But before I can do that part, I have to pull the stove out and paint the inner portions of the cabinets. So that'll have to get done first, but then I'll just start with this, and then once that's finished, I'm gonna go over here and do the pantry. So there's still quite a bit of stuff to do. And this messy table that's a catch-all for everything right now is going to be, from what I can think that I wanna do with it, I wanna make the top black, and then I wanna paint these legs the same color as the cabinets to make sure that everything matches. And then when I get done with all of that, then I plan to do the countertops in black with a polyacrylic lacquering on top, and then I think for the most part I'll be done with the actual makeover, except for cleaning up everything and redecorating the room for fall. So anyway, it's a mess now, but it won't be for long.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds. Where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time,
so by the time I got started painting these cabinet doors, it was pretty late at night, and it was dark outside, and I did not want to take these cabinets outside to paint them, so I just put them on my glass top stove, because I know that if I get paint on the glass top stove, I can just take a razor blade, which is what I basically use to clean off the stove. If you hold it sideways and scrape, you can get all that nasty cooked on burnt stuff off of your flat top stove. So I was able to basically just get whatever paint that was on there off with that blade, and it was fine. So, but anyway, yeah, I decided to go ahead and do it here because, you know, I had to get it all done. This is one of the very last portions that I did before I went to Prescott this last weekend. So we had left Friday, and this was actually done Thursday evening. And it was late into the evening. So this was probably done around, I would say probably 9:30. And shortly after this point, after I sat them down to let them dry, I had to go to bed so I could get up for work the next morning. So, and then of course we decided to take that trek up north after I got off of work. So about 4 o'clock we left, and it was a pretty busy trip up there. So we had to really hustle because there was a lot that we had to do, and we had to get to a hotel and everything that night because we were doing craft shows this weekend. So anyway, that's why this got done this way. Otherwise it would have been done outside. This feeling I go when I sit what we had. Would you come on over? Don't you miss me too? Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby. I'd rather try than lose you. Give it all you got, baby. Give me all you got. is finished, you guys. I am so in love with this. The black on that light gray is just so gorgeous, and I just, every time I come out to the kitchen, I can't believe it. It's a different house, y'all. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching tonight. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give me a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, because there's a lot coming, and I'm going to be showing a before and after here in a couple weeks, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. It's going to be absolutely amazing. So anyway, you guys have a wonderful night, and I will see you in the next video. Until then.